So in the lash world, there's two ways in which you can remove a grown out extension. One way is you move the extension left and right until it kind of pops off, and the other method, you kind of pull apart the extension and the natural lash until the extension kind of comes off. And so the first method is called the pop-off method. You basically grab the extension at the base and you grab the natural lash right below it and kind of shimmy the extension until it comes off. The second method is called the banana peel method, and you grab both the extension and the natural lash at the tip and you pull apart like a banana. So I generally like to use the pop-off method when I'm doing removals because I find it's easier to control my grip and I'm not tugging at the natural lash, so I'm not going to be hurting my clients. And sometimes I've noticed that with the banana peel method, you can try to peel it apart and either the extension won't come off, or sometimes it tends to like slice the natural lash in half. So for that reason, I tend to just go for the pop-up method because it is much easier to control what I'm doing, and I can make sure that only the extension gets removed and not the natural lash. But I do notice that if the natural lash is a little far apart from the tip of the extension, I can just peel it like a banana, like I did here, and just pull apart and it comes off really, really easily. But yeah, those are the two methods that I like to use. It helps me out tremendously when I have really good tweezers. When they have a nice tight grip, it makes the removal process so much.
Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.